Dear students, next 19th one. Here A and B are the two sides. Define a relation R from A to B. From A to B by R equal to x comma y. Means you take x and y when that follows the rule difference between x and y is odd. Yes, ನೀವು x y ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ x, y ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, okay, don't worry. So we know that every relation is the subset of A cross B because R is a relation from A to B. Yes, R is relation from A to B. Therefore, every relation is the subset of A cross B. Okay, first you find what is our A cross B. 1, 2, 3, 5 cross 4, 6, 9. So this is our A cross B. Yes. Then A cross B becomes one pair with 3 elements like 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9. One pair with 3 elements. After that you take 2 pair with 3 elements like 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 9. After that 3 pair with 3 elements like 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 9. After that you take next element 5 pair with 3 elements like 5, 4, 5, 6 and one more 5, 9. This is our A cross B. Now actually I want to write relation R on the base of difference is odd. Means it is take x comma y. ಇವೆರಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು 4 ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ or 4 minus 1, but we have 3. 3 is odd number. Yes, you take 1, 4. Similarly 1, 6 the difference 5 odd, take 1, 6. 1, 9 difference 8, it is not odd, don't select this pair. Go to the next one. 2, 4 the difference 2, it is not odd, take next one. 2, 6 difference 4, it is not odd, take next one. 2, 9 difference 7, therefore you take 2, 9 here. As 3, 4, as difference is 1, you take 3, 4 here. 3, 6 difference is 3, you take 3, 6 here. 3, 9 difference is 6, difference is 6, don't take this pair because it is even, we want difference is odd. Next 5, 4 difference is 1, you take 5, 4. 5, 6 difference is 1, therefore you take 5, 6 also. 5, 9 difference is even, don't take this one, difference 4 bartada. Therefore this is our R in roster form. Roster means in particularly mentioning the pairs or writing the elements is called roster form. We studied in sixth chapter roster form and set builder form. The roster form they mentioning the elements particularly, the set builder form they are mentioning the statement in the place of elements. Yes, so now this is our required roster form. If they want domain means you write domain also. Domain is also set. Every first elements are called domain. Yes, 1 1 repeat agide, 1 sala ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 2 3 repeat agide, 1 sala ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 5 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ತಗೋರಿ. This is our domain. Range. Range means every second elements in the pair is called as range. Every second elements in the pair is called as range. As 4, 6, 9, again we have 4 repeated, next one 6 again repeated, again 4 repeated, again 6 repeated. Therefore repeated terms you take only once. That is the method to representing the set. And one more, codomain. Codomain means R is relation from A to B. Second set is called as codomain. Therefore second set is B. Elements of B are 4, 6, 9. So this is our required codomain. Next one, let A be the set and R be the relation on A. Means this time R is relation from A to A. Domain A, codomain is also A. When the single set is given, that behaves as a codomain itself. Now R is relation on A defined by R equal to A comma B such that B is exactly divisible by A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಂತವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಂತವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಾವು R is relation from A to A. So in the set A they are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here also you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This side you treated as A and this side you treated as B. That is very much easy to write the relation in roster form. ಈ ಕಡೆ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಅವಲ್ಲ A ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ಕಡೆ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಅವಲ್ಲ B ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1, this one is divisible by this one. Yes, therefore you take first one is write in the roster form. B is what? 1. B is 1. This one is divisible by 1. Therefore I take A as 1. A comma B. B is divisible by A. Yes. 1 is divisible by 1. After that you take 2. 2 is also divisible by 1. ಈ 1 1 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು 2 1 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. B is divisible by A. 2 is divisible by 1. Therefore what is B? B is what? 2. And what is A? A is 1. 1 is divisible by 1. 2 is divisible by 1. Similarly 3 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 1. 6 is divisible by 1. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ 1 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 is divisible by 1. Therefore write 1 comma 3. 4 is divisible by 1. Therefore write 1 comma 4. 6 is also divisible by 1. Therefore you write 1 comma 6. Yes. After that okay, ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವೀಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೇನೋ? ನೋ, it is not divisible by 2. So don't select 1 2 comma 1 because 1 is not divisible by 2. Next element, so 1 is not divisible by 2. Next element 2, 2 is divisible by 2, it is possible. 2 is divisible by 2, it is possible, therefore you take 2 comma 2. After that 3 is not divisible by 2, don't take 2 comma 3. Next 4, 4 is divisible by 2, therefore you write 2 comma 4 as 2 comma 4. After that 6 is also divisible by 2, therefore you take 2 comma 6, 2 comma 6. Next ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ತಗೋರಿ. 1 is not divisible by 3, 2 is not divisible by 3, 3 is divisible by 3. Yes, you write another pair 3 comma 3 because 3 is divisible by 3, it is possible. 4 is not divisible by 3, 6 is divisible by 3, therefore you take 3 comma 6, 3 comma 6. ಇದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4, 1 is not divisible by 4, 2 is not divisible by 4, 3 is not divisible by 4, 4 is divisible by 4, you take 4 comma 4. 6 is not divisible by 4, so the element complete ಆಯ್ತು. Next 6, 1 is not divisible by 6, 2 is not divisible by 6, 3 is not divisible by 6, 4 is not divisible by 6, but 6 is divisible by 6. So this is our relation in roster form. Yes, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪೇರ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್, ಈ 1 ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, 1 ಇಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ 2 ದಿಂದ 2 ಒಂದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ 2 ದಿಂದ 4 ಒಂದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ 2 ದಿಂದ 6 ಒಂದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮ 2, 2 ಕಾಮ 4, 2 ಕಾಮ 6 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅದ, ಈ 3 ದಿಂದ 3 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 3 ದಿಂದ 6 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, 3 ಕಾಮ 3, 3 ಕಾಮ 6. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 ದಿಂದ 4 ಒಂದೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Next 6 ದಿಂದ 6 ಒಂದೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So these are our required pairs on the base of B is divisible by A. ಈ ಕಡೆ B, ಇದು A. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಏನಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, and for the answer for the second question, domain means every first elements in the pair, every first elements in the pair domain ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 1, so again repeated, don't take up to here, repeat agada. Next 2 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, so again repeated 2. Next you take 3, again repeated 3, take 4 and 6. And answer for the third one, range. Every second elements in the pair is called range. As 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, repeated 2, 4 also repeated, 6 also repeated, 3 also repeated, 6 also repeated, 4 also repeated, 6 also repeated. So this is our range. If they asked codomain, that time codomain becomes R is a relation on A. On A, when the single set is given, that time itself a codomain. That time codomain is what? A. Elements of A are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are the elements of A. Are the elements of A. So again I will continue in the next class.